Welcome back to another tabletop review. Today we'll take a brief look at the Hogue HANDALL Grip Sleeve. This video provides a brief view of the Hogue HANDALL Grip Sleeve, and demonstration of installation will apply to the installation of all Hogue Grip Sleeves. About a year ago I installed a Hogue HANDALL Beavertail Grip Sleeve on my Ruger LCP II. When I was doing my research on the grip sleeve, I looked at the customer comments which suggested that a number of people had difficulties installing the grips, and only about 75% overall gave the grip sleeve a top rated score. That raised a bit of caution, but at only $15 I decided to give it a shot and buy a set. I followed the enclosed instructions and had no problems installing the grips on my LPC. I have long fingers, and the grip sleeve increases the grip area nicely for me, and I really like these grips. I have found that they help improve my accuracy as well as comfort. So when I recently bought a Ruger LCP Light Rack 22, I wanted to add a Hogue HANDALL grip, and it occurred to me that an installation demonstration might be useful. So here it is. I think installing the HANDALL grip on the Ruger LCP is a good demonstration because the grips are so small. If you can install a HANDALL grip on the LCP, you can probably install one on any other gun. These Hogue Grip Sleeves are made specifically for each gun model, so I assume you have the proper sleeve grip for your gun. This will be my third installation, and I'll say that I've tried different methods for installing these grips. And I've used Windex spray, and I've used no lubricant at all. I've tried the boiling water method and the hairdryer method. Everything worked, but some methods worked a little easier than others. In this video, we'll talk about what worked best for me. Let's make sure that this gun is cleared first. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. The Hogue HANDALL Grip Sleeve comes in a plastic package. The packaging itself is used in the installation, so don't discard it yet. The package includes the grip and a set of instructions. Now note that you can find an easier to read set of instructions on the Hogue website. The first thing to do is to make sure the gun is unloaded and safe first, and basically just patiently follow the instructions. Now Hogue warns that depending on your model of firearm, the installation may be a strenuous process, as they say, to ensure perfect fit. Be patient and take your time. We then take the plastic package and cut two strips in a shoehorn type of shape. Cut these strips approximately 1 inch wide. Fold the strips down the center lengthwise into V shape. Round the edges into a shoehorn type shape. Hogue recommends warming the HANDALL grip sleeve for ease of installation. I'll just say that I gave up on the blow dryer method early on. Boiling water was easier to get an even heat, and easier and quicker if I needed to reheat the grips, which I did quite often. Placing your fingers inside the grips and stretching the rubber in all directions is very important. It gets the grips ready and pliable. Don't try to pull excessively on the edges of the rubber, as a tear may develop. Reheat as needed throughout the process. Hogue suggests inserting the plastic strips into the grips against the back and the front. I also found that if I used a little larger strips and placed them on the front and the back of the gun grip, that worked as well. Maybe even better. The Hogue instructions suggest using an alcohol-based lubricant such as a window cleaner like Windex to assist with sliding the grip onto the frame. Personally, I didn't even use any lubricant on this installation. I didn't need it, but it does help if you're having difficulties. Spray a generous amount onto the frame grips and inside the HANDALL sleeve. While holding the grip sleeves Beavertail firmly to the rear of the frame, take 1 or 2 fingers inside the front of the grip and pull and push the front strap of the sleeve onto the frame. As soon as you see it started, maneuver the sleeve grip onto the firearm by using the plastic to allow the grip to slide onto the frame. Hogue states that the grip sleeve is designed to fit snugly, and much force may be required to complete this step. The sleeve should be stretched as evenly over the gun's grip as possible. Once on the frame, use a pair of pliers to pull out the plastic shoehorn strips before the lubricant dries, and rotate and move the grip until it lines up correctly. reinsert the magazine, and check for clearance. Now before we end today's video, if you haven't already, be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below. And thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Well, in conclusion, I've installed 3 of these Hogue Grip Sleeves, and each time it's gotten easier. I found the Windex lubricant useful, and larger plastic strips placed on the front and the rear of the gun's grips work just as well as strips inside the sleeve for me. But stretching of the grip sleeve before and during installation is critical, and using the boiling water method was, for me, the most effective. The result is a nice improvement on my Ruger LCP II's grips, resulting in more comfortable ergonomics and an improvement of control and accuracy that was well worth the effort. Any weapon you carry is better than the one you left at home. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll be back for my next tabletop review. Until next time, stay safe.